want to feed the birds.
Everything looks so small below.
Be careful, the ground is slippery. I think I like the ground more.
I like his message. Peace at home, peace in the world.
Wow. Look. Cats have taken over the city. Some people say Turkey, but the official name is Türkiye. Let's see what awaits us. Where are we going first?
To the Sultanahmet area to see history.
Look, it is a big blue mosque. It has so many minarets.
This is Hagia Sophia right next to it.
Very nice, Jill. Dad, can I take a photo with the famous handsome corn seller?
Two magnificent buildings in one place.
Look, seagulls. Ah!
This seagull is still following us.
I smell the sea.
Let's take the ferry to Asia.
The sea is very sparkly today. I want to feed the birds.
Look, the Maiden's Tower.
It looks like a small palace.
Tea makes everything better.
The seagull wants my simmet.
Look at the big bridges.
We have so many memories. It is very early, but look at the view.
The balloons are starting to fly.
Can we go very high?
Up we go. Hold on tight.
The ferry chimneys look like mushrooms.
Hello, people. We are flying. Why is there a seagull in a balloon?
I think he has been following us since Istanbul.
This is the most beautiful moment.
I think I like the ground more.
Are we landing now?
Great landing! I am safe!
I am a pilot now. The rocks are very soft.
Cappadocia is a magical place.
Is this a mountain of snow?
No, it is a cotton castle.
Where are our shoes, Dad? The water is very warm.
Be careful, the ground is slippery.
Look at these blue pools. The sun is very strong here. I want to swim in Hierapolis.
The seagull is swimming too.
There are old stones in the water.
This water is very healthy.
Look! A white wall of water.
Let's take a family photo.
Wow!
The water is so blue.
It is like a dream.
Look! People are flying! Are you afraid, Dad? Go, Dad, go!
I am flying like a bird.
What? You again?
The mountains meet the sea.
I want to touch the water.
Everything looks so small below.
Dad is landing on the beach.
That was amazing. Woo!
Let's swim in this beautiful sea. We are at Salda Lake now.
Whoa. Is this the ocean?
No, it is a lake in the mountains.
The sand is so white. The water is very clear.
Let's take a walk on the beach.
The mud feels very different.
The air is very fresh here. The rainbow is so bright.
Is the water falling into the sea? Woo. The mist feels very cool.
Now, let's see the old theater.
This place is very well preserved.
I want to climb to the top. Look at the small windows.
The acoustics are perfect here.
I can hear you, Dad. Ah!
Let's walk under the aqueducts. The sun is setting behind the stones.
Water move through these pipes?
History is everywhere in Antalya.
This city looks like a sand castle.
Welcome to Mardin. So glad you could make it. Thanks, it's amazing. I'm excited to be here.
The streets are very narrow here.
Look at the beautiful doors.
The Great Mosque has a tall minaret.
We can see Mesopotamia from here.
It looks like a green ocean. The silver jewelry is so shiny.
Let's visit the old school.
The water represents life here.
It is very cool inside the stone walls.
Mardin is like a time machine.
I like the smell of spiced coffee.
A magical night in a stone city.
Now, we are in Konya.
This building is very peaceful.
Who are these dancing men?
Let's eat some delicious food.
This bread is very long.
Turkey has so many flavors.
We are on top of the world. We are on Mount Nemrut.
Look at these giant heads.
Are they kings from the past? The eagle looks very strong.
Antiochus built this long ago.
They watched the stars here.
Can I take a photo, Mom?
Let's walk to the West Terrace.
Look at the lion's face.
Nemrut is a giant museum.
Welcome to the ancient city.
These columns are very tall.
Where is the big library? Look! A cat is sleeping here.
The Library of Celsus is beautiful.
There are many statues inside.
People read many books here.
This theater is very big.
I can see the stage.
The Romans lived here long ago.
Everything is made of marble.
Ancient history is very interesting.
Who is this great man?
Let's visit the leader of Turkey.
I like his message. Peace at home.
Peace in the world. Goodbye, Turkey. We love you.